how does manifestation work?
I think manifestation is something we don't teach here. But a manifestation determination resolution meeting is your child has had an action that's required a consideration of discipline. And we have to come together as a committee and look at the student's data, their unique circumstances, their eligibilities, their medical profile, their pathology, their patterns, and their history, and see if we believe as a committee, one, was this action directly and related causation of their disability, and or two, failure of the district to not implement the IEP. Let me just tell you, I just had a meeting and it was both. And the executive director was like, well, no. It's not because the district failed to implement the IEP. I said, you're wrong. I said, at the last meeting you didn't come to, the district confirmed they didn't implement the IEP. And she was the director. She goes, is that true what Ms. Cunningham said? Did you say at the last meeting you didn't implement his IEP? Yep. And she goes, oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.